power up your morning. Breakfast can help you start your day on the right track. Let us look at the best 7 breakfast options for weight loss. Welcome. Food is a cause and a cure. For factual nutrition information, please subscribe to our channel. Don't skip breakfast. Many Americans skip this important meal or grab something unhealthy on the run. Donuts, anyone? Either way, they're hindering their weight loss efforts. Here's why. Breakfast can supply lots of foods and nutrients that are linked to less hunger. Eating more of your calories earlier in the day may help control your appetite later, so you eat less overall. Skipping breakfast may sound tempting, but it only sets you up for hunger later in the day. Instead, rely on these healthy 300-calorie options. They're packed with gradually digested protein to help you feel full until lunchtime. When you're trying to lose weight, breakfast can set the tone for the rest of your day. Consuming the wrong foods can amplify your cravings and set you up for failure before the day even begins. Fuel your day with sticking to these 7 options, as your breakfast choices will give you plenty of protein to start your day. Strawberry peanut butter oatmeal. Stir 1 teaspoon peanut butter into 1 cup cooked old-fashioned or steel-cut oatmeal. Top with ½ cup sliced strawberries. Optionally, add banana slices. Use 1 cup of non-fat milk. Honey banana yogurt parfait. Stir 1 large pinch of cinnamon into 1 cup plain non-fat Greek yogurt. Drizzle with 1 teaspoon honey. Top with 1 sliced banana and 1 tablespoon slivered almonds. Cheesy egg sandwich. Fry or scramble 1 egg in 1 teaspoon olive oil. Serve on a toasted whole wheat English muffin with sliced tomato and 1 thin slice of cheddar cheese. Smoked salmon roll-up. Spread 1 tablespoon whipped cream cheese on an 8-inch whole wheat tortilla. Top with 2 ounces smoked salmon and 1/4 cup baby spinach. Roll up and slice in half. Raspberry French toast. Dip 1 slice of whole wheat bread in 1 raw beaten egg. Cook in a sauté pan over medium heat in 1 teaspoon butter for 4 minutes, flipping midway. Top with ½ cup non-fat plain Greek yogurt and ½ cup raspberries. Protein power plate. Prepare 1 hard-cooked egg. Complement with 10 walnut halves and 3/4 cup grapes. Sweet cinnamon ricotta toast. Toast 2 slices of whole wheat bread. Top each slice with 1 tablespoon part skim ricotta cheese and sprinkle with cinnamon. Complement with 1 pear. Starting your day on the right foot and with the right food can make a world of difference when it comes to weight loss. Eating healthy breakfast foods can make it easier to curb cravings and stick to your weight loss goals. Keep in mind that following a weight loss diet doesn't just end with a healthy breakfast. Be sure to fill your diet with nutritious whole foods throughout the day to optimize your health and help lose weight quickly. Visit our website for more nutritional information. You can also connect with registered dietitians, nutrition coaches, personal trainers, and yoga instructors through our website. Thanks for watching. We hope this information is useful to everyone. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more nutritional videos. And don't forget to hit the notification bell.